OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, know that they ride or die.
So this is a sandbag that we also receive for the protection of the arm guard when they will build their protection shield that we are bringing on the deck. We will fabricate and install the protection shield for their machine guns on a sea deck. So this will be put there. And again, the vessel will be already fortified with the razors wire. I don't think they will try to hit us with this kind of fortification. Besides, we have armed guards here with us. So for the fortification of the vessel, it was requested by the Marines to have these plates on board. We will make a protection shield from them on their machine guns. So we will set up this shield on sea deck. They requested in sea deck. So it's quite a big plates and very heavy. It's impossible for us to carry it upstairs. So we have to improvise on how to deal with it and bring this one to the sea deck. Right, so we have just made some improvisations. Hopefully these things work. With this, we will use the winch to lift these plates upstairs. Huli ka ba?
Tayong cooler shocker sir eh.
Ayun.
Tulad doon.
Oo, mas maganda nga. Oh. Para walang stress sa lubid. Hindi naman nakaroon sa akin lang eh. Walang holo. yan, men, no? Masagat nalaglag yan, masagasaan tayo ng, no? Okay, may tunay-tali pa rin. So again, this is the fortification of the armed guards. They will set up a machine gun here. We will make a fortification, or you mean for the shield. Doon sa may doon sa may bandang area ng men, ng gunner, baka What's up, man? Oh, be careful. Pag nalaglag yan, di wala silang gana kumain pare-parehas dyan. Wow. What the views! Yeah, so we have just fortified the vessel. With this, we can make a picture. They promised So we have just fortified the vessel with these two wall plates and the sandbag. Para makita tayo. Today we just fortify our vessel because we're going to pirate area. This is our guards. Video. Right, thank you. All right, very good. So job well done, gentlemen. Very good. Through this round and over the line there. See that? Iron side. Matter because I don't want to. No, push back. There's right. But this one is locked here. If you're ready, you can shoot. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Gentlemen, weapons set! Firing!
Ayos talaga dado.
that everything?
Yes.
Oh, come on, I'll take it. Yep. Touch him.
Wala mo, sir. Tanggalin mo na yan. Wala namang kalaban, baka mabaril ka.
Thanks for watching. Please like our video and don't forget to subscribe to keep you notified to our latest videos. Kindly comment, hashtag I subscribe and I will also check your channel.